quote humorously highlights the distinct roles of engineers, contractors, and inspectors within the construction sector. Engineers primarily focus on the design aspects of a project, contractors handle the actual building and implementation of the design, and inspectors oversee the project to guarantee adherence to established regulations and standards. Each role is indispensable, yet the inherent differences can occasionally lead to disagreements or misunderstandings. For example, an engineer's design might present practical challenges during construction, potentially escalating costs or requiring specialized techniques. Contractors might misinterpret specific aspects of the engineer's plans, leading to deviations from the intended design. Similarly, inspectors might identify non-compliance issues or areas where the construction deviates from the approved plans and standards. Despite these potential friction points, effective collaboration among these three parties is crucial for a project success. Engineers must communicate their designs clearly and concisely, ensuring that contractors thoroughly understand the specifications and requirements. Contractors, in turn, need to execute the construction meticulously, adhering to the engineer's instructions and seeking clarification when needed. Inspectors play a critical role in mediating between engineers and contractors, ensuring that the project aligns with regulatory requirements and industry best practices. The process of navigating these diverse perspectives and potential conflicts can be demanding. It requires open communication, mutual respect, and a willingness to compromise. Each party must recognize the value of the other's contributions and work collaboratively to resolve challenges. This collaborative spirit is essential for mitigating risks, preventing errors, and ultimately delivering a successful construction project. To elaborate on the intricacies of each role, engineers utilize their technical expertise and design software to create detailed plans and specifications for a project. Their designs must account for various factors, including structural integrity, safety regulations, and environmental considerations. They often employ computer-aided design, or CAD, software to create precise drawings and models that guide the construction process. Contractors are responsible for translating the engineer's designs into physical structures. They manage construction crews, procure materials, and oversee the entire building process. They must possess strong organizational skills, technical knowledge, and the ability to manage complex projects within budget and schedule constraints. Inspectors act as impartial overseers, ensuring that the construction adheres to all applicable codes, standards, and regulations. They conduct site visits, review documentation, and perform tests to verify that the work meets the required specifications. Their role is essential for protecting public safety and ensuring the long-term integrity of the structure. To further illustrate the potential for conflict, consider a scenario where an engineer specifies a particular type of material that is difficult to source or requires specialized installation techniques. The contractor might raise concerns about the cost and feasibility of using this material. The inspector might then need to evaluate whether an alternative material would meet the required performance standards. Resolving this conflict requires open communication, technical expertise, and a willingness to explore alternative solutions. In another scenario, a contractor might deviate from the engineer's design without proper authorization. The inspector would then be responsible for identifying the deviation and ensuring that it is corrected. This might involve further consultation with the engineer to determine the best course of action. Effective communication is paramount in preventing and resolving conflicts. Engineers should strive to create clear and unambiguous designs, using standardized symbols and terminology. Contractors should thoroughly review the designs before commencing construction, seeking clarification on any points of uncertainty. Inspectors should communicate their findings in a clear and constructive manner, providing specific details about any deficiencies or non-compliance issues. In addition to technical expertise and communication skills, successful collaboration requires mutual respect and a willingness to compromise. Each party must recognize that the others bring valuable skills and perspectives to the table. Engineers should be open to feedback from contractors regarding the practicality and cost-effectiveness of their designs. Contractors should respect the engineer's expertise and adhere to the design specifications to the best of their ability. Inspectors should approach their role with fairness and impartiality, focusing on ensuring compliance with established standards and regulations. Furthermore, embracing technological advancements can significantly enhance collaboration among engineers, contractors, and inspectors. Building Information Modeling, or BIM, is a powerful tool that allows all parties to access and share a digital model of the project. BIM facilitates better communication, coordination, and clash detection, reducing the likelihood of errors and conflict. Similarly, mobile technology and cloud-based platforms enable real-time information sharing and communication, streamlining the inspection process and improving project management. Consider the use of drones for site surveying and progress monitoring. Drones can capture high-resolution images and videos of the construction site, providing valuable insights for engineers, contractors, and inspectors. This technology can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance safety. In conclusion, the relationship between engineers, contractors, and inspectors is a complex and dynamic one. While their roles and responsibilities may differ, their ultimate goal is the same: to deliver a safe, functional, and high-quality construction project. Effective collaboration, open communication, and mutual respect are essential for achieving this goal. By embracing these principles, the construction industry can continue to innovate, improve efficiency, and build a better future. The success of any construction project hinges on the seamless integration of these three critical roles. Engineers, with their design expertise, lay the foundation for the project, ensuring structural integrity and functionality. Contractors, the builders, bring these designs to life, managing resources and manpower to transform blueprints into tangible structures. Inspectors, acting as the guardians of quality and safety, meticulously scrutinize the work, ensuring compliance with codes and standards. While their functions are distinct, their interdependence is undeniable. Engineers must design with constructability in mind, understanding the practical limitations and challenges faced by contractors. Contractors must adhere to the engineer's specifications, respecting the design intent and seeking clarification when needed. Inspectors must exercise their authority with fairness and impartiality, providing constructive feedback and ensuring that the project meets the required standards. The potential for conflict arises from the inherent differences in their perspectives and priorities. Engineers may prioritize innovation and aesthetics, sometimes overlooking the cost implications or constructability challenges. Contractors may focus on efficiency and profitability, potentially compromising quality or deviating from the original design. Inspectors, driven by their commitment to safety and compliance, may identify deficiencies that require costly rework or delays. However, these conflicts, when addressed constructively, can lead to better outcomes. By engaging in open dialogue and seeking collaborative solutions, engineers, contractors, and inspectors can overcome challenges and improve the overall quality of the project. For example, a contractor may suggest a value engineering alternative that reduces costs without compromising performance. The engineer can evaluate the proposal and, if approved, incorporate it into the design. An inspector may identify a potential safety hazard that the contractor can address proactively, preventing accidents and ensuring a safer work environment. The key to successful collaboration lies in establishing clear lines of communication, fostering a culture of mutual respect, and embracing a problem-solving mindset. Regular meetings, site visits, and electronic communication platforms can facilitate information sharing and coordination. Engineers, contractors, and inspectors should be encouraged to voice their concerns, share their perspectives, and work together to find mutually acceptable solutions. Furthermore, investing in training and development can enhance the skills and knowledge of all three parties. Engineers can benefit from courses on construction management and value engineering. Contractors can improve their understanding of design principles and code compliance. Inspectors can stay abreast of the latest regulations and best practices. By continuously improving their capabilities, engineers, contractors, and inspectors can contribute to a more efficient, sustainable, and safe construction industry. The use of technology also plays a vital role in fostering collaboration. Building information modeling provides a shared platform for visualizing and managing project information. Drones and other remote sensing technologies can facilitate site monitoring and progress tracking. Mobile devices and cloud-based applications enable real-time communication and data sharing. By embracing these technologies, engineers, contractors, and inspectors can work more effectively and efficiently. Ultimately, the success of any construction project depends on the ability of engineers, contractors, and inspectors to work together as a cohesive team. By fostering open communication, promoting mutual respect, and embracing a collaborative mindset, they can overcome challenges, improve outcomes, and build a better world. The dynamic interplay between engineers, contractors, and inspectors forms the backbone of any construction endeavor. Their roles, while distinct, are intricately intertwined, demanding seamless collaboration for successful project completion. Engineers, the visionaries, conceptualize and design the project, translating client needs and regulatory requirements into detailed blueprints. They must possess a deep understanding of structural principles, material science, and building codes. Their designs must be both aesthetically pleasing and functionally sound, ensuring the safety and durability of the structure. Contractors, the builders, transform the engineers' designs into tangible reality. They manage resources, coordinate subcontractors, and oversee the construction process. They must possess strong leadership skills, technical expertise, and a keen eye for detail. Their primary goal is to complete the project on time, within budget, and to the highest standards of quality. Inspectors, the gatekeepers, ensure that the construction adheres to all applicable codes, regulations, and standards. They conduct site visits, review documentation, and perform tests to verify the work meets the required specifications. They must possess a thorough understanding of building codes, construction practices, and safety protocols. Their primary responsibility is to protect the public's health, safety, and welfare. The potential for conflict arises from the inherent differences in their perspectives and priorities. Engineers may prioritize innovation and aesthetics, sometimes overlooking the practical limitations or cost implications. Contractors may focus on efficiency and profitability, potentially compromising quality or cutting corners. Inspectors, driven by their commitment to safety and compliance, may identify deficiencies that require costly rework or delays. However, these conflicts, when managed effectively, can lead to better outcomes. By engaging in open communication, fostering mutual respect, and embracing a problem-solving mindset, engineers, contractors, and inspectors can overcome challenges and improve the overall quality of the project. For instance, a contractor might suggest a more efficient construction technique that reduces costs and saves time. The engineer can evaluate the proposal and, if approved, incorporate it into the design. An inspector might identify a potential safety hazard that the contractor can address proactively, preventing accidents and injuries. Effective communication is paramount for successful collaboration. Engineers should clearly communicate their design intent, providing detailed drawings and specifications. Contractors should seek clarification when needed, ensuring that they fully understand the design requirements. Inspectors should communicate their findings in a timely and constructive manner, providing specific details about any deficiencies or non-compliance issues. Building Information Modeling (BIM) is a valuable tool for facilitating communication and collaboration. BIM provides a shared platform for visualizing and managing project information, allowing engineers, contractors, and inspectors to access and share the latest design drawings, specifications, and schedules. This reduces the risk of errors and miscommunications, improving project coordination and efficiency. Furthermore, fostering a culture of mutual respect is essential for successful collaboration. Engineers, contractors, and inspectors should recognize and value the expertise of each other. They should be willing to listen to each other's perspectives and work together to find mutually acceptable solutions. This requires a willingness to compromise and a commitment to putting the project's success ahead of individual interests.